This is Parabi and Miss Poppy and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So at first I want to introduce our agency to you. So can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. In this website, you'll find all of our contact details and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here. And I am founder and CEO of this agency. And we have lot of previous work history. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you'll find there are a lot of previous work history we have attached here. As you see, this guy is from USA. He hired us for $500 work. This guy is from China. This guy is from USA. This guy is from France, and this guys from Czech Republic, and maximum of our buyer from USA. And we have lot of skilled freelancer working with us. If you go to our team sections, then you'll find there are a lot of skill guy working with us, and they work beside our agency. They work on Fiverr and Upwork also, and there are 300 plus skill guy working with us. And we have a YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, FSD Freelancer. From this channel, we have gained 237K subscriber and uploaded 200 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see 1.9 million views, 1 million views, 6 lakh 48K views, 600K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So that is all about our agency, sir. Recently, our team member has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page SEO problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So if you are interested, then we'll go ahead.
Yeah, I'm interested.
So basically, we will optimize your video on page SEO sections. On page SEO means search engine optimizations. I think you know. So your video title are not optimized SEO friendly. You are not using SEO friendly descriptions, and you are not using high volume rank text to your videos. High volume rank text means which tag has high search volume but competition is low. That type of text we will research for you, and when we put that type of text to your videos, then your video will go on top. As like me, I am showing my screen again. And if you search here digital marketing full course Bangla, full course Bangla, then there are thousands of videos regarding this keyword, but we got the first position. This is an ad, we got the first position. As like if you
Yeah.
search here SEO full course Bangla from your site, then there are thousands of videos regarding this keyword, but we got the first position. So when we use high volume rank text to your videos, then when someone search related to your keyword, then your video will go, get the first positions on YouTube, and then you will get more organic views and subscribers. And for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video SEO optimizations and all things completed optimizations, and it costs $120 and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs $300 and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. So now it's your choice which package you want to start it.
I can start with the first one for now.
Okay, no problem. So you judge our work by taking our starter package, and if you are satisfied, then you can go for the monthly one, no problem. And our payment system is when you hire us, you have to pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And for getting payment, we support Western Union, Remitly, and Payoneer. But PayPal is not supported in our territory, sir. But if you do not know how to send money through Remitly or Western Union, a team member will guide you, and you will also find a lot of tutorial from YouTube.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, so sir, after finishing the meeting, we will send our informations, and you just we have two methods to start the work. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited, then we can optimize each of the things from our side. And if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your 10 video links to us. Then we'll optimize each of the video and make a report sheet. Then we'll hand over to you. You just copy and paste to your videos by yourself. So which method do you choose?
I can give the information. It doesn't it works for
Okay.
me.
Okay, no problem, sir. So after finishing the meeting, you just send your 10 video links to us, and our team member will send her payment details. And when you pay 50%, then we'll start the work. And our client satisfaction is our first priority. We are working with tons of guys, and If we provide you the better service today, then you will hire us for the next day. We believe it, and we know all the rules and regulations of YouTube. As you see, my play button is also hanging behind me, and we will take your channel to the level, and we will try our best to grow it.
Okay, appreciate that.
Okay, sir. So thanks for your time, and bye for now.
All right.
Okay, bye bye.